beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am Nida Yusuf. Thank you so much for giving all your love on all my videos. So today I'll be talking about one of the most hyped face masks on Instagram. I am sure you all must have seen so many ads about that mask, and I thought why not let's try that mask and give you my review. So stay tuned. So without any further ado, let me show you which mask I'm talking about. So this is from Prolixer Detoxifying Sea Algae Mask, and this is the packaging of the product. This is a cardboard packaging. It is very good, very nice hard cardboard packaging. I really like the packaging. It comes with a soft bristle brush here for the application. It is very soft, the bristles are very nice, and I really like this brush for application. So guys, this is the mask bottle, a very classy little on the top and a glass bottle down, and I'll open it for you guys. So they have a lid here, and then here is the mask. It is pink in color and looks very cute. So guys, now let's talk about the key ingredients in the mask. So first, obviously, they have sea algae in here, which detoxifies your skin and remove all the toxins out from your skin, which is very good. Then they have vitamin C in it, which is very good for your skin. It hydrates your skin. Then they have here is diatomaceous earth, which is the reason the mask is pink in color. This mask also has hyaluronic acid, which will plump up your skin and give nice moisture to your skin. They have tea tree, which is very good oil and very good for your skin. So they have all good ingredients, and I'm very well satisfied with the ingredients here. Now let's talk about how to use this mask. This mask is very simple to use, very hassle free and not at all a mess. So you have an applicator brush inside this. You have to just take the mask as it is and just apply on your face upwards. Then leave it for about 10 minutes on your skin, and then you can rinse it off with a normal or cold water. Cold water is more beneficial for your skin, so I will highly recommend to use cold water on your skin to rinse it off, and there you go. So after using this mask, now let's talk about what happens after you use this mask and what is the benefit for using this mask. After I rinse off this mask, I surely feel very baby soft. My skin becomes very hydrated and very soft. So of course the hyaluronic acid in this mask works very well. It gives the plump on your skin. It also tightens your skin and tightens up your pores. You can feel that change in after application of 2 to 3 times of this mask, and they even remove all detoxifies your skin and remove all the toxins from your skin. You will feel a natural difference about it. It really smoothens and improves your skin texture. It works very well on your skin texture. You will feel like a baby soft skin, as I said, and it even reduces the bumps on your skin. I have even used this mask on my mother and sister. They are not my skin type, they are different skin type, and I used them on this to see the change, and it has changed their skin tremendously. So I can assure you it works for all skin types, and it gives you a nice smooth texture. You won't regret buying this mask. So these were the pros of this mask. Now let me talk about the cons of this mask. So here I have only two cons in this mask. The first one is I feel it is little overpriced. So if you're buying it for 14.99, I feel at that range it is little overpriced. But if you get it on sale for 9.99 rupees, you can go for it without any doubt. It is very good at that price. The second con, what I really felt was this mask dries out. I'm not talking about your face, no. As I said before, it really moisturizes your skin and everything. But inside this, when you keep this mask will dry out. I noticed this 2 to 3 times, so I added little rose water and I mixed it up before application, and then I applied it on my skin. So this mask dries out a bit, so you have to store it properly. These were the cons of this mask. So now let me talk who should buy this mask. As I said earlier, this mask is going to work for each and every skin type, but especially the people who have dry skin, little acne, and who wants to tighten their pores. They have open pores and wants to tighten your pores, or oily skin. For these skin types, this mask, trust me, is gonna work wonders on you guys. So guys, this is it for today. This is my review on Prolixer Sea Algae Mask. If you're looking for a good mask and if you want to try and you like masking, which we all should, then you should go for this mask. This mask has really nice key ingredients and I really like this mask. I personally apply this mask once in a week to tighten up my pores and my skin, and it works great for me. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you all in my next video. Please keep subscribing, sharing my videos with all your friends and like my video. Thank you so much, guys. It was so good to talk to you. Bye bye.